I did a thing. I learned how to make tomato paste. This is for freezing, but look at this nice, thick, chunky, not chunky, thick tomato paste I've got here. This is wonderful stuff. And I did it all by accident. So what I did is I had tomatoes in my freezer that I wanted to get out and process. I was just going to make tomato sauce. Hunting season is coming and I need space in my freezer. So I peeled all those tomatoes. I put them in this Instant Pot. I just laid a screen on top and I let it run on low. I started it yesterday evening. It was late. I decided these are pretty runny tomatoes, first of all, and so I think they're going to be fine overnight. I just let it run overnight. Well, it was fine. However, it reduced a lot. And so I am not going to make sauce. I'm going to keep this as a paste. And I'm going to go ahead and freeze it in sandwich bags here. I've just got 2 cups. I will use this probably for pizza. But it's a super easy way to make tomato paste. Now there is a way to can tomato paste. I haven't done it. I don't have a recipe on my website yet. Check the comments below because if you're watching this in the future, I may just get that put up. But it is all based on the weight of your tomatoes, and a certain amount of citric acid needs to be in there to make it safe for canning. And it is so thick that you actually have to mix it up before you can. So there's certain steps that you have to follow. Yeah. So freezing tomato paste, though, it don't matter. You don't have to do all the special things. So run it in a crock pot overnight. It worked with my Instant Pot. I'm surprised it didn't scorch, but it didn't. Worked great. Pizza sauce, here we come.